We guide you through how to set timer on iPhone camera 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open the camera app, then look at the top of the screen for the timer icon that looks like a clock. Tap it and choose either 3 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how time you need before the photo is taken. Next, frame your shot exactly how you want it. Press the shutter button, and the countdown will begin, giving you enough time to get into position or stabilize the phone. If you want multiple shots in a row, you can also use burst mode while the timer is on. And don't forget to explore portrait mode or live photos to enhance the result. And finally, once the timer snaps the picture, check your photos app to review your shot. Repeat if needed. And that's all. There is no effortless taking selfies, group shots, or action photos without rushing, making your iPhone camera more versatile and ensuring every photo is timed perfectly.